यूएस कन्फर्म्स। इस वीडियो को आप 2x के स्पीड पे देखिए और जस्ट इस टॉपिक को अपन कवर करेंगे और फिर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन करेंगे। यूएस कन्फर्म्स फर्स्ट ह्यूमन इन्फेक्शन विद H5N5 bird flu. United States has reported the world's first known human case of H5 N5 strain H5N5 strain of avian influenza, raising global public health attention. The patient, an older adult with pre-existing health issue, was hospitalized in early November after developing symptoms consistent with bird flu. Health authorities confirmed the infection following detailed laboratory analysis. How the infection was detected: initial test identified influenza AH5. Subsequent analysis confirmed the specific subtype is H5N5, a strain previously found only in birds and animals. The patient kept a mixed backyard flock that had potential exposure to wild birds, making animal to human transmission the most likely the source. Investigators continue to study exact exposure pathway. Feature of avian influenza. Avian influenza viruses naturally circulate in wild aquatic birds, which act as long-term reservoirs. These viruses can spread to domestic poultry and occasionally to humans. Influenza A strains categorized using two proteins, hema glutenin H or Neuramini N, leading to various combinations such as H5N1, H5N8, H5N5. Strain may be low pathogenic, causing mild illness in birds, or highly pathogenic, leading to rapid, widespread mortality. Why H5N5 is under watch? H5 viruses are known for genetic diversity, ability to resort, allowing new variants to emerge. Although a current human health risk remains low, global agencies emphasizing continued monitoring. Any strain capable of crossing from birds to human warrants scientific attention due to possible evolutionary changes within animal population. Exam oriented facts. uh, Exam oriented facts कि avian influenza viruses are categorized by H and N surface proteins. H5N5 had never been detected in humans before this case. Transmission to human typically occur via close, unprotected contact with infected birds. Wild aquatic birds act as natural reservoirs for influenza A viruses. Transmission and symptoms and preservation. Bird to human transmission occur through droplets, dust, and contaminated surfaces, particularly in settings such as poultry farms. Poultry farms or live birds markets. Common symptoms in human include fever, cough, sore throat, fatigue, and gastrointestinal disturbance. Severe cases may progress to pneumonia or respiratory distress. Preventive steps include avoiding contact with sick birds, um, using protective gear while handling poultry, ensuring through cooking of poultry products. Public health agencies stress surveillance and early detection of curb further speed. Now coming to questions. First question: which strain of avian influenza has reported at the first known human case in the United States? तो it is H5N5. ये नहीं होगा, C होगा H5N5. What was likely the source of H5N5 infection in the patient? Contaminated food नहीं, contact with wild birds नहीं, mixed backyard flock. मिक्स्ड बैकयार्ड फ्लॉक, कॉन्टैक्ट विथ वाइल्ड बर्ड्स ये भी हो सकता है, लेकिन मिक्स मोस्ट आंसर जो उसके टॉपिक मिक्स्ड बैकयार्ड फ्लॉक. What are the two proteins used to classify influenza A strain? तो इसके लिए H and N. H hema glutenin. What are the two proteins used to classify influenza A strain? तो hemag glutenin and neura. Give me 1 minute. Neuraminidase, hemagglutinin, and neuraminidase. Which of the following is highly pathogenic strain of avian influenza? So that was H5N1. That is the highly pathogenic strain of avian influenza. Now coming to what is the primary mode of bird to human transmission of avian influenza? Airborne transmission, yes. Contaminated surfaces, yes. Droplets, yes. So all of the above. What are the common symptoms of avian influenza in humans? Fever and cough, yes. Sore throat and fatigue, yes. Gastrointestinal disturbance, yes. So all of the above. Now coming to seventh question, which of the following is preventive measure against avian influenza? Avoid contact with sick birds, use protective gear when handling poultry, cook poultry thoroughly. So this is all of the above. What is the role of wild aquatic birds in avian influenza? They act as primary host, they are the only host, they act as long term रिजर्वायर्स वाइल्ड एक्वाटिक बर्ड्स जो ऊपर में बोले थे ना जिसका आंसर वाइल्ड भी हो सकता वाइल्ड बर्ड तो वही है दे ऑल लाइक एक्ट एज लॉन्ग टर्म रिजर्वायर of such viruses. Ninth and 10th, what is the H5? What is the H5N5 strain under global health watch? It causes mild illness in birds. It can cross from birds to humans. H5N5 strain under global health watch क्योंकि ये H5N5 क्या हो सकता है तो it can cross from birds to human. What is the current human health risk associated with H5N5? It's low. Current status health risk should be low.